Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update for 1st of March. And if you guys are not in the Discord, join the Discord, and why not? You're gonna get some updates and we can discuss about different coins. Now I had to look at the structure of Solana once again, and all I'm going to say is you're potentially putting in an inverse head and shoulder, this being your left shoulder, your head, and potential right shoulder right there. But still, along with this one, you're trying to break the neckline as well. I'm going to tell you this. From there to there, that's kind of a moving neckline right here, so I'm expecting a small retracement down here to the $90, and potentially if you're gonna hold that one and you're gonna look to go to the upside. I'm gonna tell you the technical target out of that inverse head and shoulder from there to there. You broke out of here, so that's gonna take you nearly to $113. Yes, $113. But along now, that's the inverse head and shoulders, and you have to wait for the retest of this neckline. Listen very, very, very carefully, okay? You broke the neckline, you're not still confirming to go to $113. The reason is the retest has to happen. Bitcoin has to behave, number two. So these two factors are going side by side. We do know that until this point of time. All right, so that's out of the way. What if you make a fake out and go down? Because by the end of the day, as you can notice right here, that all you did is you went back up, but you're still rejected at the neckline. And we do know that this head and shoulder up here is currently still in play. It's not invalidated, it's not abandoned. I cannot say Solana is ready to actually still go to the upside. It is not. At least based on the charts, it's not just yet. Because you did came here last time, right? And then you went down. You did came here again previously. Then you came down. And then you potentially put an inverse head and shoulder. But still, you haven't confirmed the break of a retest right there. You have to retest, potentially coming down at $89, and you have to be careful it doesn't lose the 89 to go to the 69, which is the technical target out of this head and shoulder, bigger one right there. So what is it gonna be, guys? What is it gonna be? At least for now, that's resistance. And always ask yourself before buying something, am I buying at the resistance or am I buying at support? All right, let's say a scenario for the entry. All right, let's talk about the entry itself. We did see a neckline like this, right? So up here was your resistance. Where is your support? At the neckline, right? So if it does come down here, go to tradingview.com, of course, let it come to the 90 or the $89. You are kind of qualifying now to take an entry, because you do take entries at support and you sell at resistance. You don't buy at resistance, by the way. Now the question is, when you enter at this support right there, once you lose the neckline and backtest and fail, you can close it back up right there, and you can take a very small, less risky trade out there, and you put it in a buying bid right here. If you get lucky, you're going all the way to $113. That's just simple as it is. Yes, because now I'm gonna say that inverse head and shoulder is in play, but still do not ignore the fact that Solana didn't go to its technical target, and that is still in play, because by the end of the day, you are below the neckline. You're still below the neckline. Bitcoin, even though it pumped to the upside, we saw some nice good green candles, it still went and met some resistance point to the upside, just like last time we saw Bitcoin go to $45,000. By the way, 44,000 is a big resistance for Bitcoin, so be careful. Watch the Bitcoin update on the channel if you want to know the full details about Bitcoin at this point of time. And that's it for today's update. Hope you enjoyed this small quick update just for you, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.